Sanibona bafethu uvana lo. So igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates bawudlala against iKaizer Stars. Igame ke labafethu ezobaleka kakhulu for Orlando Pirates because bawudlala iNedbank Cup round of 16 lapho khona uma bewina nje bayithola sebedlala kuma quarter finals bazobhekana nama-team serious ngempela nama-team afuna ukuyiwina iNedbank Cup. Remember ama defending champions awasekho kule competition akhishwe iSteelers. So njengoba siyodlala nje against iKaizer Stars le cup le ayinawo ama defending champions. Orlando Pirates bafuna ukuyiwina le cup le. But ke siyodlala neKaizer Stars. iKaizer Stars ime endleleni Orlando Pirates uthi ifike kuma quarter finals. So ngizoshaya nje i-lineup prediction yami, ngizokubizela abadlali ngokwami okumele bayiqale le game le abazokwazi basize Orlando Pirates iwine le game le. I see this game le bafethu Orlando Pirates iwina, but ke akumele siyithathe kancane bafethu iKaizer Stars cause i-team edlalayo ku-NFD. Njengoba kuyi-team nje edlalayo kumele nathi singabathathi kancane. Abajida bangakwazi ukuthi basinikeze igame, bakwazi ukuthi basinikeze something njengoba siyodlala nje against iKaizer Chiefs ngeweekend elandelayo. So kule game ke bafethu siyoyidlala mina ngokwami nje uzoshayelana prediction ungayigxeki bafethu eyami, ungitshele wena yakho injani kuma comments, but ke ungayigxeki eyami based on what I've seen against Mamelodi Sundowns. This is my lineup engizoqala ngayo. Epaleni bafethu, epaleni ngizomqalisa bafethu uSipho Chain. Yabo ngizomqalisa nje uSipho Chain kule game le soyidlala against iKaizer Stars. We saw against iTTM sibona uButhelezi. I was not impressed by Ubuthelezi. I was not impressed by Ubuthelezi even though sawina 4-1, but ke umshida I feel like le free kick mfethu. I know it's a set piece, but come on mfethu. Mina ngokwami I think umjida kumele aqale kule game uSipho Chain athi ukuyiredeem kancane after lento siyibonile against Mamelodi Sundowns. Athi nje ukuyiredeem kancane umjida athole leyo confidence because siyodlala kweSoweto derby okuyi game odinga each and every player ene mentality right, ene mentality eqondile, because asidingi izinto ezosinikeza yabo any kind of bad dots. Njengoba siya lapha nje siyafuna abajida be-happy, sifuna abajida bene mentality right ukuthi bayoyiwina iSoweto derby. So kule game le ngidinga uSipho Chain as ugoalkeeper. Mase ukuthi ke ama center backs wami Mphotsha Batsane ngamqalisa as i-left center back, mase ukuthi ke i-right center back yami ngiqalise uLebone Siyema bafethu. Abajida bawu2 ngingabaqalisa kule game, bane height bawu2 abajida ucomfortable bafethu Mphotsha Batsane. I want to see a lot of this player playing for Orlando Pirates. Even uSesane bengingamqalisa kule game le ngithi ukurelaxisa kancane ucaptain wethu okubani okuNkosinathi Sibisi, but ke I know for a fact ucoach uzokwazi ukuthi amqalise uNkosinathi Sibisi. Nami ngajabula futhi ukumbona eqala, but ke remember uNkosinathi Sibisi usathanda kuthinteka nje, ubethintekile nje, risking him kule game kanje might put him out of the Soweto derby. So you need the player like uNkosinathi Sibisi playing in the Soweto derby. So I would put him on the bench or put him on the stands. Mase ukuthi ebenchini ngiqalise bane ngihlalise lo mjida lo Sesane angene second half, mhlambe ezoshintsha uSiyema noma Mphotsha Batsane. Yabo center back pairing yami iyona le bafethu. Mase ukuthi ke kuma wing backs I don't want to do a lot, I don't want to experiment kakhulu. You know the wing backs, these are the type of players we needed to start with against the Mamelodi Sundowns, but it seems like the coach had other ideas ukuthi abajida akumele baqale, kumele qaliswe bani, kumele qaliswe Sibelebele with Dion Hot. But ke for me kule game le ngamqalisa bafethu uNkosinathi Ndaba with Van Rooyen. Dion Van Rooyen umchida, he has been playing very very good for Orlando Pirates in the couple of games abe now for Orlando Pirates. Umchida besathana kubuya kwi-injury, so I would start him in that right wing back position with Undaba on that left wing back position. So this is my back four, ukuba Lebone Siyema, bane Mphotsha Batsane, mase kuba Van Rooyen and uNkosinathi Ndaba. This is the back four with uSipho Chain as the goalkeeper. Mase kuthi number 6 I was going to put ubani umjida uMakhehleni Makhawula on the bench, but I realized ukuthi we do not really have many number 6 esinayo lapha ku-Orlando Pirates. So umjida usathana kubuya vele ku-injury, so he need more game time ukuthi akwazi ukuthi a-recover abe lo mjida lo esimkhumbulayo esimazi kahle uMakhehleni Makhawula. Remember phela usanayo leyo rustinyana umjida spend most of his season engayidlalele Orlando Pirates bekudlala bani obusihle Nduli. So nje bese buyile nje siyadinga ukumbona umjida uMakhehleni Makhawula playing more games for Orlando Pirates. So ngamqalisa as number 6. I know siyodlala against iKaizer Chiefs next week and umjida samdinga, but in that number 6 position you need a key player, you need that number 6. Angimele ushintshe kakhulu number 6 ngathi ungadlalisa nje the same number 6 yabo kuma games alandelanayo. khona uzokwazi ukuthi team ibe ne-engine strong yabo. Foundation ye-engine kumele sazi strong. uMakhehleni Makhawu lo ukhona lapha. Let's hope-ke uSihle Nduli uzosheshe alulame uMjida khona ezobuya ezoyisiza team. Mase ukuthi-ke abadlali abazodlala phambi kwakhe ngingamqalisa bafethu ubani lo Mjida lo uSelephe bafethu uMjida akayithole game time. I don't know the reason behind uSelephe engayitholi game time, because for me I think uMjida should be getting more game time from Orlando Pirates. He should be getting more game time from coach Abdeslam Moadu. The player have been playing very, very good for coach Jose Rivero, but I don't think he's the type of player who Abdeslam Moadu likes to see playing in that midfield. But for me in this game, I think it's wise for the coach to make a decision to play uSelephe Bafethu to see what uSelephe udlala kanjani. Ever since Abdeslam Moadu wafika, I don't remember seeing uSelephe playing yabo. Ungiphikise nje mengiqamba amanga mhlawumbe ungikhumbuza ukuthi wayedlala nini. I've once seen uDansini edlala, but uSelephe I haven't seen him playing under Abdeslam Moadu. And I would start with Thomas Wangani as number 10. The player have been playing very, very good for Orlando Pirates. Couple of games, scored 2 goals. Umjida is on fire, so I'll start with Thomas Wangani as well. So iyona-ke i-midfield yami lebafethu so far. Yes, I know ayikho that sharp. I remember phela uTalente Mbatha uMjida ngizokuthiwa yabo angazi angifuna ukuyingena kakhulu ezikambatha, but I would love to see uTalente Mbatha kwiSoweto Derby. uMjida right ready healthy, siyafuna ukumbona uMjida edlala against the Kaizer Chiefs. Let's hope uzobe khona against the Kaizer Chiefs, but it's highly unlikely ukuthi simbone kule game le. And what shocking is that asitholanga any feedback regarding ukuthi uMjida ulimele noma cha. Ukube ulimele iOrlando Pirates ngabe sitshelile ukuthi uMjida ulimele, kumele sazi ukuthi ngiyazi abe khona against iMamelodi Sundowns, but they didn't give us those news. They told us ukuthi uLebito ulimele, uRasebocha ulimele, and uThapelo Xoki ulimele. Guys, kwenzakalani behind the scenes? They are not giving us the full details. We need to know what is going on with our players, because Talente Mbatha is one of the best number 8s as now la in South Africa jikelele yabo, one of the best. So what is going on with Talente Mbatha, with the management or with the coach? Because it seems like the coach doesn't really favor that player. He doesn't really like Mjida. Angazi ngempela ever since wafika nje ubengamdlalisa uTalente Mbatha. But I don't want to get into politics because many fans might think I'm being biased towards the coach, but I think it's the truth, guys. It's the truth. But when we go to our wingers bafethu, right winger ngaqalisa bafethu uMoremi, mase kuthi left ngiqalise baneMfugeng. I feel like le game le bafethu angimele sithambele iKaizer Stars, kumele nje ithole nje u5 omncane nje, u5 omncane nje, 5-0 to be exact. Mase kuthi afront, for me afront ngibengamqalisa bafethu Radio Man. I feel like Radio Man kumele ayithole game time kule game esoyidlala against iKaizer Stars, but I know for a fact ukuthi ngiyakaza aqale, but bengajabula ukumbona eqala. I know Mbuthuma uzoqala kule game le ayithole game time uMjida akwazi ukuthi ayiredeem after le game esiyidlalile against iMamelodi Sundowns. uMjida I feel like i-confidence yakhe izokwazi ukuthi ibuye akora amagoli la khona ezohamba le aye kwiSoweto Derby ascore more goals futhi nakhona yabo. Iyona ke lana prediction yami le, ungangitshela wena yakho lana prediction ikanjani, ungayigxeki kodwa yami ungitshele wena yakho uthi injani lana prediction. Uvane lo bafethu, ngiyabonga kakhulu for your support eninginikeza yona. Sisi 22,000 subscribers already.